Understanding web browser and browser engines. Introduction. Web browser are our window to the World Wide Web. Whenever you click a link or type a website URL, it's the web browser that fetches the content and displays it on your screen. In simple terms, a web browser is an application that allows users to access and view web pages on the internet. It acts as an interface between you, the client, and remote web servers. The browser sends your requests for web content to servers, then receives the responses, HTML, CSS, images, etc., and renders, draws, those into the interactive pages you see. Without browser, the internet's vast information would remain inaccessible to most. As simply having an internet connection isn't enough, there needs to be a browser to retrieve and display the content.